Hello everyone, I'm Mitra and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to practice daily routine English sentences. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, let me explain shadowing. Shadowing is a great way to learn English. It means you listen to a sentence and then repeat it out loud. When you repeat sentences out loud, your mouth and tongue learn how to speak English naturally. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Let me tell you how to practice. I will say one sentence. After that, pause the video and repeat after me. At first, it may feel difficult. That's okay. Keep going. Little by little, you will learn. So let's get started. I wake up and check my phone right away. I wake up and check my phone right away. I get out of bed and start my day. I get out of bed and start my day. I make coffee and try to wake myself up. I make coffee and try to wake myself up. I don't feel fully awake in the morning. I don't feel fully awake in the morning. I get ready in a hurry because I'm late. I get ready in a hurry because I'm late. I leave the house and head to work. I leave the house and head to work. I listen to music to feel better. I listen to music to feel better. I check my messages during the day. I check my messages during the day. I take a short break to clear my mind. I take a short break to clear my mind. I feel tired, but I keep going. I feel tired, but I keep going. I finish work and just want to go home. I finish work and just want to go home. I change clothes and try to relax. I change clothes and try to relax. I spend some time on my phone. I spend some time on my phone. I think about my plans for tomorrow. I think about my plans for tomorrow. I go to bed and hope for a better day. I go to bed and hope for a better day. Good job. If this feels hard at first, don't worry. This is normal. Learning a new language takes time. Just keep practicing. Say the sentences out loud. Little by little, you will speak more confidently. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more daily English practice. Write a comment below and tell me how.